Hello, this is the agenda and objectives for the week of May 17th. We learned last week that we have a final exam review that is due Thursday, May 20th. And when you click on the assignment there, we reviewed last weekend that this is due at 9 a.m. Okay. We also, like last week, included the final exam information here. And if we take a look at that quick, other things that we need to look at for this week, not only is the final exam review due May 20th at 9 a.m., but if you have any incomplete late work that you are planning on submitting for your semester 2 grade, that it must be due at 9 a.m. on Thursday, May 20th also. Okay, so once again, just two things to remember on that May 20th, that final exam review is due at 9 a.m. and that any late work, any incomplete late work that you are submitting must be done 9 a.m. on Thursday, May 20th. As far as Zoom sessions this week, for questions that we have on the final exam review, we will have one on Tuesday at noon, we will have one on Wednesday at noon, and then Thursday at 9 a.m. your assignment is due. So you can come to any of these Zoom questions or Zoom sessions and ask questions on your review for your final. Keep in mind that the review for the final is very, very similar to the final exam. All right, lastly, our final exam is at the end of this week, and so it's in this module. So our final exam is to be completed between 7 a.m. and 3:45 on Friday, May 21st. And so this is our final exam link right here in Canvas. Remember that this opens at 7 and closes at 3:45 p.m. So if you try to click on here sometime before 7 a.m. on Friday, it's not going to work. If you try to click on it after 3:45 p.m. on Friday, it's not going to work. So just keep that in mind, that is our final exam time on Friday, May 21st. And if you have any questions, Canvas inbox me, or feel free to come to one of the Zoom sessions here this week and get your questions answered. Remember that our final exam is Friday, May 21st. The final exam will open up on Canvas at 7 a.m. and it'll close at 3:45 p.m. You need to make sure that you schedule time between 7 a.m. and 3:45 to be able to complete the final exam.